Today's cloud job is from Protiviti. The job role is Junior Cloud Engineer in Protiviti in their Sydney, Australia office. This is a hybrid role, and Protiviti is a global consulting firm that delivers deep expertise, objective insights, a tailored approach, and unparalleled collaboration to help leaders confidently face the future. Protiviti provides consulting solutions across finance, technology, operations, and data, and also various other fields. Protiviti is a wholly owned subsidiary of Robert Half and is currently working with 60% of Fortune 1000 companies. Okay, as a Protiviti cloud engineer, you will be delivering professional and highly valued technology consulting services to their clients. In order to be successful in this role, you should have foundational concepts and knowledge of any of the cloud providers, including AWS, Azure, and GCP. Multi cloud know how is very valuable for this role. If you have done or been involved, or even just know the concepts around my cloud migration from on prem, I think that would take you far in this role, also in the interview process. So, if you have any foundational exposure or knowledge in networking, operating systems like Linux and Windows, and if you know how the authentication works and what is encryption and bit of an operations background, I think you should be good. So if you feel like that this job is for you, then go to Protiviti Australia's website or even search them on LinkedIn and apply from there. Thank you very much.